The content you create in TilBuci can be viewed in a variety of ways. One possibility is as a desktop application, designed for Windows, Linux, and macOS. In this video, we'll explore exporting a movie as an executable for these operating systems. First, let's open the movie we want to export. In this example, we'll use our content for a kiosk. If you'd like to follow along with the production of this material, check out the playlist here on our channel. Before exporting, let's check our movie's properties. Here we can adjust the title, descriptive text, and the icon to be used in our app. Try to use PNG images sized 1024 by 1024 pixels. Now it's time to generate our export file. In the left menu Exchange, select Export for Desktop. You'll see a window with a few options. The first concerns the app window. You can choose among a normal window, a non-resizable window, full screen, or even kiosk mode, where the app starts in full screen and tries to maintain focus permanently. Next, you can set the window's initial dimensions. By default, TilBuci suggests values proportionally based on the area of your movie. The following information is the one that can be adjusted in the movie's properties screen. Creating desktop apps on TilBuci uses the Electron project. To learn more about it, simply click the last button in this window. After making the necessary adjustments, click Create the app and wait. After a while, a zip file with the necessary files will be downloaded. Uncompress the generated zip. It contains an instruction file that shows the information seen in this video. You'll also see a folder named after your movie. The first thing to do is go to the Node.js project website, node.js, download, and install the latest version. The project website provides instructions appropriate for your operating system. With Node.js installed, access the folder containing your movie's content and search for the setup script. It's available for Windows, Linux, and macOS. Run the appropriate script for your system, keeping in mind that this initial setup process can be time-consuming. On Linux and macOS systems, you may need to grant the script execution permission. Note that the setup process generated some additional files and folders. Now that it's complete, let's test our app. To do this, search for the test app script and run it. After some processing, you'll see that you can test the content on your system. With the content tested, it's time to generate our app. To do this, search for the Create App script and run it. This process may take some time and, ultimately, will create the executable file inside the out folder. Inside the out folder, you'll find two versions of your application, one for x64 architecture systems and one for ARM architecture. This applies to Windows, Linux, and macOS. Go to the appropriate folder and verify that the executable is working correctly. To distribute, you can rename the folder, but you must forward its entire contents, not just the executable. Another way to distribute is by creating installers. To do this, look for the Create Installer scripts. They are available for Windows and macOS. Since Linux systems have a wide variety of distribution formats, adjustments may be necessary to choose the one that best suits the channel used for release. In this video, we walk through the process of generating desktop applications from content created in TilBuci. If you encounter issues running the provided scripts, make sure you're using the latest version of Node.js and that the path to the exported folder doesn't contain spaces or other special characters. Also, check out other export options available, such as creating apps for mobile devices.